Hello students and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's our video is for class 8 and we are going to discuss about a very important concept of chemistry that will be useful for you in your upcoming standards. Even when you face the different types of competitive exams like Olympiad, NTSC, also after 12th you face the JEE or NEET like exams. There this concept will definitely help you for solving the very important difficult questions. So please carefully watch this video so that you will able to understand all the basic concept. We'll discuss about the incidental structure of atom and different types of theories, observations and experiments given by the scientists. That also we will try to understand certain basic concept which we have already been seen in previous standards. So let's see first. Here are certain three questions already been given. What the question? What is matter? What is atom? And what is the smallest particle of element called? So first question arises, what is matter? Matter is what? Matter actually is anything. Matter is anything which can occupy some space, which have certain mass, which have certain volume. You can take any example. Suppose here I have this pen. As I said you, matter is what? It is anything which can have space and volume and which can occupy the space. So here pen is what? Is a matter. Matter can be available in all three forms, whether it is in solid state, liquid state or in gaseous state. Next question is what? Next question is what is atom? Now atom, it is the smallest particle of element called as the atom. Third question, what smallest particle of element called? As just we saw the second question, smallest particle of element is called as atom. So actually what we have tried to describe from this basic question is that smallest particle of element which take part in chemical reactions are called as the atoms. Actually atom is very much longer, that is near about 2500 years long, but in the course of time it was forgotten. But in the modern times certain scientists again tried to give their observations, their explanations, and on the basis of their experiments they tried to explain the concept regarding the atom. But in the history also there was two scientists who described regarding the concept of atom. That scientist was Rishi Kanad and the philosopher Democritus. Philosopher Kanad was from India. He gave his observations in 6th century. So that time he given what is observations? He said that there is a limit to cut the individual atom. That it is have certain limit. We cannot cut the atom into too much longer pieces. Atoms still have certain limit, and he named the atom as a Parmanu. In our Parmanu, which is our Indian origin name. Second scientist was Democritus, which actually was a Greek scientist. He given his observation in 5th century. Actually, he demonstrated that atom is a indestructible and the single atom. Indestructible means we cannot cut the atom into many pieces, and it is a single atom. Actually, whatever the atom word, this atom word is actually come from the Greek. It is a Greek language word. Actually, previous name was atmos. Atmos means which is a single type of component we called, and from that atomos the atom word was created. So this is what the history regarding the atom. Now we will try to see scientist observations which are been given by here in this lesson. We will discuss it one by one and try to see what they have given the explanation regarding the atom through their experiments. In the same series, the first scientist was who have given observation was a Dalton. Dalton was a British scientist and he given his theory in 18th century when he was studying regarding the atom. So what he observed there? He observed that matter are made up of atoms. In here in this topic also, that whenever matter is made, it is made up from the atom, means from the small particle of atoms. Second observation was atoms are indivisible, as already been certain Democrats also said and Kanad also said that it is a indivisible, means single type. Next one, atom is a hard solid ball with no internal structures. Based on the same observation that it is a hard solid type of ball and it doesn't have any internal structure, because when any particular element is made, it is made up from, because atom is very small na, so it is doesn't have any internal structures. Next one, all atoms of element are same. Okay, so whatever the element is made, yes, it is made up from small particles of atom, and all these atoms are what? They are of same origin. And next observation was mass of the atom is uniformly distributed. Whatever is the mass regarding what it is discussed, that atom of elements are of same, and whatever the regarding the mass, it is uniformly distributed among all that atom. So this is what the concept of atom was given by the scientist John Dalton. Okay students, so our today's video is only up to this. In next video we will try to explain, we will try to see another scientist who has given his observations. Okay, now if you like this video, please and subscribe the channel, and also share this channel, and also share the link to your friends so that they can also like and subscribe. Okay.